WUI AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this new software. Stick around to learn everything about its features, benefits, and whether it's really the best AI software for your needs. First, WUI AI is designed to streamline your workflow with cutting-edge tools that make automation and optimization simpler than ever. It's packed with features aimed at making your digital marketing strategy more effective without the need for hours of manual work. You can easily integrate it with your existing marketing platforms, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned pros. One standout feature is its intuitive interface, which simplifies complex processes like content generation, customer analysis, and even automated campaign management. The platform's ease of use is impressive, especially for users who may not have a technical background. For example, creating engaging content or analyzing customer data can now be done in a fraction of the time it used to take. The AI behind WUI AI isn't just another automation tool. It uses a machine learning model that adapts to your business needs over time. The more you use it, the more tailored its recommendations become. This feature is particularly valuable for marketers looking to scale their efforts without sacrificing quality or precision. Another key advantage of WUI AI is its multi-platform integration. Whether you're using Facebook ads, Google ads, or social media management tools, WUI AI can integrate seamlessly. This means you can manage all your campaigns from a single dashboard, saving you time and preventing the confusion of bouncing between different tools. The customer support is another crucial point. With WUI AI, you get access to a support team that's highly responsive and well-equipped to help you resolve issues quickly. Plus, there's a robust community where you can share tips and insights with other users. This makes it easier to get the most out of the software, especially for those just getting started. For those of you worried about pricing, WUI AI offers a free trial, allowing you to test out all of its features without any risk. You can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description. If you're on the fence, this is the perfect way to see if it fits your needs before committing to anything. Lastly, WUI AI stands out in terms of scalability. Whether you're a solopreneur or a large enterprise, this software adapts to your growth. The tools are flexible and can scale with you, offering customized solutions for different types of businesses. Before wrapping up, make sure to check out my recommended AI software in the description. After trying thousands of different AI tools, I've handpicked the best ones, and you can test them for free as well. WUI AI is just one of the many tools that could change the way you do business. So, is WUI AI the best just released AI software? For many, it's looking like a game changer. Try it out today and see how it can boost your digital marketing efforts.